Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp communities. Today we're going to show you how to allow everyone in your community to add new members. This feature can be incredibly useful for growing your community and empowering your members to contribute. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar interface, but we're going to focus on the Communities tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your communities. Next, select the specific community you want to modify. This will bring up the community's main page, where you can see all the groups and members. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu and select Community Settings from the options presented. In the Community Settings, you'll find various options to customize your community. We're looking for the Who Can Add New Members setting. Tap on this option to see your choices. Finally, select Everyone from the list of options. This will allow all members of your community to invite and add new participants. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your community settings to allow everyone to add new members. This change can help your community grow organically as members invite friends, family, or colleagues who might be interested in joining. Remember, while this feature can be great for community growth, it's important to keep an eye on who's joining to maintain the quality and purpose of your community. You can always adjust these settings later if needed. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy community building.